अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं असिस्टेंट पंजाब पुलिस का जो पेपर कंडक्ट हुआ है मॉर्निंग बैच में ऑन 20th of June 2026। इसमें हो सकता है कुछ MCQs ऐसे होंगे जो एग्जैक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स नहीं हैं जो पेपर में आई होंगी। जिस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स ने शेयर किए हैं वही आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया जा रहा है, और कुछ MCQs जो हैं वो एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन है किसी एक अद MCQs की जो पेपर में आया था। यूजुअली जो PPSC के GK पेपर्स होते हैं उनके हिसाब से बैच 1 और बैच 2 दोनों का पेपर डिफ़िकल्ट आया है। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के MCQs। फर्स्ट है, PM नरेंद्र मोदी marked his 13th participation in the G7 summit. 52nd G7 summit 2026 was hosted by Emmanuel Macron at Evian-les-Bains in France. G7 decisions are made through discussions and consensus, not legally binding agreements. European Union participates in the G7 as a non-enumerated member. Russia was suspended from G8 in 2014 after Crimea annexation. G6 was formed in 1975 and Canada joined in 1976 to form G7. G7 2026 core theme is working together to address major international challenges. G7 2025 summit was held in Kananaskis, Alberta in Canada. G7 2027 summit is projected to be hosted by United States. G7 members are Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, UK and USA. G7 countries represent about 40% of world wealth. Social static and social dynamic concepts were introduced by Auguste Comte. First stage of society according to Auguste Comte is the theological stage. Erving Goffman formulated the dramaturgy theory. Dramaturgy theory relates to presentation of self in daily life. Erving Goffman also introduced concepts of total institutions and stigma. Social control means to regulate behavior and maintain order within society. Primary purpose of a social institution is to fulfill basic social needs. After World War II, major global changes included decolonization and rise of welfare state. Feminism works specifically for gender equality and social equilibrium. Role set is defined as all roles attached to a single social status. G.H. Mead's theory is known as theory of self or symbolic interactionism. Real origin of Bondi Beach attacker Naveed Akram, India. Gumption is synonymous with wisdom, initiative and courage. Antonym of gumption is apathy. Diamond is an allotropic crystalline form of pure carbon. गरीब की जोरू सब की भाभी is a widely used Punjabi proverb. Hume Dam is located on the Murray River in Australia. Senate of Pakistan comprises 96 seats under 1973 Constitution. Temerity translates to boldness, audacity and rashness. Graphite is the standard element used in pencil lead. Head Trimu Barrage is built at the confluence of the Chenab River. Hub Dam is located on the Hub River on the border of Sindh and Balochistan. Mail merge is primarily used to send the same template mail to multiple recipients. Hazrat Usman was martyred while reciting Surah Baqarah. Current US Secretary of State Marco Rubio. First general election in Pakistan's history was held in 1970. Gwadar Port became officially operational in the year 2016. 1956 Constitution officially named Pakistan as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Islam was declared the state religion under Article 2 of the 1973 Constitution. Stubborn is synonymous with die-hard, obstinate, and resolute. Fatima Jinnah passed away in the year 1967. World Bank President Ajay Banga recently conducted an official visit to Pakistan. Correct preposition usage: nobody from my family. We should respect our elders uses the modal verb should to indicate duty. Complete old proverb reads no man is an island. The cerebellum regulates and controls body posture, coordination, and balance. General Ziaul Haq held national non-party elections in 1985. The historic Bandung Conference was hosted in Bandung, West Java in Indonesia. HTTP protocol is utilized universally for secure web-based data transfer. Cosmic rays were discovered by physicist Victor Hess. Melodrous antonym is pleasant, sweet-smelling, or fragrant. Nicolas Maduro serves as the current president of Venezuela. Alcohol can be dissolved completely in water, but not in benzene or ether. Holy Quran was first translated in the subcontinent into Persian by Shah Waliullah. Pungent means sharp, stinging, acrid or biting. A dash share of Pakistan International Airlines was outsourced to Arif Habib Corporation, 34.5%. Pakistan played a crucial diplomatic role in de-escalating structural USA-Iran tensions. SRAM Static RAM is a faster volatile memory type compared to DRAM and flash memory. Scientific theory of natural evolution was formulated by Charles Darwin. An IPv4 address consists of 32 bits, whereas an IPv6 address consists of 128 bits. SOR range technology is utilized globally for marble, limestone, and coal geological surveys. A firewall functions directly by filtering incoming and outgoing network data traffic. Phishing is defined as fraudulent attempt to steal sensitive personal information. Macros are configured in spreadsheets and documents to automate repetitive workflow tasks. The modern helicopter was invented by engineering pioneer Igor Sikorsky. Nurek Dam is located in Tajikistan on Vaksh River. Tarbela Dam is constructed on Indus River in KPK. Original 1973 Constitution of Pakistan recognized 4 distinct provinces. General Pervez Musharraf resigned from presidency on 18th of August 2008. Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated in Company Bagh, Rawalpindi on 16th of October 1951. First Chief Martial Law Administrator of Pakistan was General Ayub Khan in 1958. Governor General Ghulam Muhammad controversially dismissed Prime Minister Khwaja Nazimuddin in 1953. Largest glacier outside polar regions is Siachen Glacier. Hazrat Ali was fatally attacked and martyred in Kufa. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, appointed Hazrat Ali as caretaker leader of Medina during Ghazwa Tabuk. Mohsinul Mulk was prestigious title given to Sayyid Mehdi Ali Khan. Historic Bofors scandal involved in a high-profile arms deal between India and the Swedish manufacturing company Bofors. Field Marshal Ayub Khan became Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army in 1951.